Welcome to Rupa Cloth Store, Nanganallur. This is Arun. Hope you are doing good. And today's episode, we are going to see pure silk cotton 10-yard sarees. Yes. We got some new color combinations and a lot of varieties. Today's episode is going to be a treat of silk cotton sarees 10 yards. And as usual, we came up with very vibrant color combinations and lot of designs. And this time, since we are into festive season and we got lot of fresh collections, and please don't skip the video. Before getting into this video, please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store and click the bell icon to get regular updates. People who cannot visit our shop can purchase through online, and the payment can be done through Google Pay or account transfer. And also for the overseas customers who are buying online, can transfer through MoneyGram or account transfer. And we don't accept CODs. Once the order is placed, the item will be shipped in next day, or if it falls on Sunday, the item will be shipped in next working day. As we are shipping from Chennai, the Chennai customers will receive in 2 days of time. People from other states like Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, they will receive it in 3 to 4 working days, and the rest of the states, it will take 5 to 6 working days. And we are very glad to introduce, we have a 1 hour delivery program. That is, people who live in Chennai limits will get their items within an hour of time. And again, it depends on the distance and also the weight. So this is the first saree. It's a green color and the blue color combination. It's a sea blue color combination. It looks lovely. You can see the border. The border has Rudraksham pattern and also a temple pattern on it. And you will have a big booties all over the body. The booties will be in tilagam shape. You can see the pallu. Pallu will be very grandeur and which has mango designs on it. And the color combination will be mesmerizing. It looks traditional and trendy too. If you like to place the order, please contact the below WhatsApp number. Price of this saree will be 6,650. This one is a similar saree with another color combination. This one is a similar saree with another color combination, and this one is an maroon and orange color combination. This one is another combination with maroon and green color. Next saree is a palum paramum kattam with 3 color combination, that is arakku, manjal and pachai. It's a very traditional combination and we will have booties all over. Let's see the pallu. The pallu will be very grand in mango designs on it. This combination looks so grandeur and so traditional, and you can see the border of the saree. Border will have mango designs on it, which gives a very rich look, and I can say it's a masterpiece. This one is a 10 yards pure silk cotton saree, and it's a 10 yards and we don't have blouse on it. And the price of the saree will be 5,850. If you want to place the order, you can directly visit Rupa Cloth Store or you can contact the below WhatsApp number. This one is another color combination which has grey color, pink and green color saree. Not all the sarees will have similar patterns. Some of the sarees may have similar patterns. Next one is another multicolor combination which has mustard and blue color. This one is another color combination which has mustard, red and green color. This green is a subtle green and you will have Pavanji border on it. This is another color combination which has pink and blue. You will have a Rani pink and light pink with blue color combination. Next saree is a blue and a green color combination, and the border comes in Pavanji pattern. You can see the sari inside, and you will have booties all over the body. The booties will be a temple shaped. The combination will be so nice. It will also look very rich. You can see the work in the border and also the pallu. And price of the sari will be 6,150. There may be a color variations due to lighting. This one is another color combination. It's a rare color combination actually. It comes with light blue color with sea blue color border on it. The combination is very different, and the border has peacock designs on it. Next sari is an orange color combination with magenta color, and it's a double page border. The border has half diamond of one side and Rudracham pattern on other side. Let's see the pallu. The pallu will be very rich, and the color combination will be stunning. You can see the color combination. It's a stunning color combination. And the body goes plain. If you want to convert it to ready-made Madisar, you can make it both Iyer or Iyengar style in additional cost. If you like to place the order, please visit Rupa Cloth Store, or you can contact our below WhatsApp number. And the cost of the saree would be 5,550. It's another color combination. It's a purple with green color. Next one is also another color combination, and the previous sarees the body goes plain, and in this saree the body will have buttas all over, and you will have a double page border. You can see the pallu will be very rich in tilagam design, and the cost of the saree would be 5,940. Next one is a green color with a violet color combination. You can see the border. The border has Rudracham and temple design on it. You can see the pallu. The pallu is very rich and it has mangoes on it. And body also will have booties, a triangle booties all over the body. And the color combination will be very superb. It's a vibrant color combination. And the saree will not be transparent, see-through. You can see the saree, it won't be transparent, and it's completely hand woven. We do couriers all over India and also abroad. Price of the saree will be 6,150. This saree is a similar combination with red and blue color on it. This one is another similar combination, which is yellow and blue color on it. Another similar combination, you will have blue color with green color. This is the next similar combination. You have mild Kazhithu color and the green one. Next saree is a red color with green color combination, and if you see the border is a traditional half diamond pattern, and the body goes plain. The pallu will be very rich, and the pallu will be in green color, and the body is plain. The sarees will be very comfortable to wear, as it's hand woven. You will have a free hair which comes inside. You can wear this saree all day long. And price of the saree would be 5,250. This one is another color combination, which is dark blue, ink blue color with golden borders. This one is also a similar design with the green color and maroon color combination. This one is also a similar pattern with the maroon and green color combination. Here you go. This is the next saree, which is purple with green color combination. You can see the border. Border has Rudracham and temple patterns on it. And you will have booties all over the body. See the pallu. Pallu will be very rich in green color. The combination looks vibrant. And you will have round booties all over the body. People mostly prefer this saree for almost all the functions like Upanyasam, Graha Pravesam or Sashyata Purti. It will be very grand and the price of the saree will be 6,150. This one is a similar pattern with different color. It's a pink and green color combination and price would be 6690. This one is also a similar pattern. It's a mandolir color with maroon color combination. Price of the saree will be 6690. The next combination is a multicolor pattern which has yellow blue color combinations. You will have peacock designs in the border and also on the pallu. You will have a grand booties all over the body. The grand booty will be in tilagam shape. See the pallu. The pallu is a vibrant blue color with yellow color mixed on it. It always gives you a rich look and very comfortable to wear as you have cotton in it. So we have 80% of silk and 20% of cotton. If you would like to convert it to ready-made Madisar, you can make it on additional cost. And price of the saree will be 6650. This one is another combination which is yellow, red and mustard color. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Rupa Cloth Store. Hope you like all the collections. Please do visit Rupa Cloth Store and subscribe Rupa Cloth Store. Thank you.